Hi traders, my name is Marco Mayer from AlgoStrats.com, and today I want to give you a quick update on the April performance of AlgoStrats FX. So until now what I did was to do an internal blog post about once a month to give you some insights on the performance. This month I decided to do it differently, come up with a little video where I can explain some things better, and I plan to do this now on a monthly basis. So what happened in April? First of all, worth to note is that in March we launched AlgoStrats FX 2.0, where it did some major changes to the systems, including new systems that have been added, others needed some adjustment. So in total we have now 30 systems running behind AlgoStrats FX. Another change is that most of the systems now enter trades using stop market or limit orders, so no longer entering and exiting with market orders most of the time. Many of the new systems are day trading systems, and now combining these day with the swing trading systems, there was a new risk management model required that I implemented that nicely balances out basically these day and swing trades. They have about the same risk. Also, there's now better risk adjustment in front of major events like NFP, FOMC news days or Brexit weekends and so forth, where we still continue to trade usually, but the risk is adjusted, predicting the upcoming changes in volatility. Now, what did not change, of course, is that 100% of the trading actions are still happening between 4 p.m. and 4 p.m. 5 minutes. So everything that's happening, follow and trade AlgoStrats FX happens within these 5 minutes, which allows us to take advantage of short-term price movements without having to babysit the trades all the way. So you don't have to adjust orders or cancel trades or check for special conditions to be true. You just enter your trades at 4 p.m. and then you walk away and come back again literally 24 hours later. So here's a quick summary. In April we executed about 24 trades. One of these trades is still open right now. Exactly 50% of those have been winning trades, but luckily we had an average profit of about 1.6 times the average loss. And thanks to this, the AlgoStrats FX real money account gained a solid 1.3%, while aiming for an average risk of only 0.5%. Which is really quite good actually. As you can see on the graph here on the right, this is like the equity curve of the account. In the beginning of April we had quite a dump here, didn't work out so well, but since then really have been in a nice upward trend and could finish the month up quite nicely. So let's have a look at the trade overview in April. The first graph is in pips, which in my opinion is quite a meaningless measurement as it all relates to what kind of risk you had for the trades. And here's the trade performance in hour and the trade distribution. So as you can see, basically it's been these 2, 3, 4 trades that made all of the performance with a lot of small losses here. Mostly of these have been day trades actually, and one bigger loss of 1 hour. But in total, quite nice even distribution to the positive side here. Nicely skewed, just what you would expect. Now looking at more details, we can see the markets where we traded in and the results of this. Actually, we had a lot of trades this month in the British pound pairs and in the commodity related currencies like the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. That didn't have as much trades as usual in the yen, for example. So not much happened there. We've been lucky on the pound yen on one trade where we had a quite nice gain right after the Brexit decision talk, but also some really nice trades around the euro and the Australian dollar. Now breaking this down into systems, we can see that this month the breakout systems didn't work so well. Best systems have been the momentum systems. So these are systems that try to follow ongoing momentum or try to catch momentum. But also the mean reversion systems and the price pattern systems did pretty well. So as you can see, we mostly had day trades this month, about 16 day trades actually, or trades that have been closed right after the first day of entry. But we also had some nice swing trades here. One lasted up to 6 days and one up to 4 days. So pretty normal distribution, slightly weighted to the day trading side this month. So that's it for April. I'm looking forward to the month of May now. We got the FOMC this week. Then on the weekend, the French elections, so we should see quite some nice volatility in the markets. which is exactly what we're looking out for and what we need as traders. Now, also for those of you who are new, the free trial is open right now until May 10th. So you can sign up for free on AlgoStrats.com and join the whole service for a whole week. So go ahead, check it out, see how this fits you, see how you like it, check out the help section and everything so you really understand what's going on. Email me if you have any questions about it. And yeah, I would love to see you on board there, joining us on AlgoStrats FX. Take care.